beautiful protea that hasn't opened, but that is doing its thing. You can see here as well, amidst those that have been burnt down. Even this one that was burnt appears to have been burnt. It's growing green leaves again on the side. Okay, there's another one, partially opening. Too beautiful. And that one has been lopped off by probably somebody. And there, that one looks like it was a burnt one, because it doesn't look like normal. Looks like it's been charred, but it's growing again. It's got, unless that's just after it's bloomed, if that's the normal progression. But let me have a look. If I just do this, it seems like it's been charred. I'm no expert, but at any rate, I think this one is, it's not joined to it, but it's a neighbor. Okay, so let's move on. I'm going to hold this quite high now to keep my shadow out. Got the sun behind me. I'll just walk in this water. There's no other way to do that. That's my foot. Okay. Oopsie. Shadow. Doing some daredevil things. I don't know how it's going to look in the video. Obviously not with the shadow again. I'm not that conscious of that all the time. Should be actually walking the other way with the sun out now. But I'm not. I'm on my way back to the parking, as I told you. I don't have a car, I don't park. But our parking area is where the Uber dropped me off. And I'm going to take an Uber from there to go and have some lunch. But I've never done it before with the Uber. And I've come to this place, could I say scores of times or hundreds of times? Maybe it's in the hundreds already. And I've always come by bicycle. Probably not 100 yet. It's probably about 100 times by bicycle. Maybe more. At any rate, next weekend, if there's not rain, well, I'll use Uber in future when there is rain. It makes a lot of sense. That's not the same stream as before. This is coming sideways down the, I would say, the western side of the mountain, if I could call it that, as against the south eastern. Yep. We're back here. So that was White Eye that we came down on. Yeah, they've put in 3 new trees, shrub-like trees. And going back down towards the parking lot. You can hear the water on the side there. Maybe even see it. It's clear. It's shining. I can see it glimmering. Anyway. trying to see if this thing is in focus. It's meant to be on automatic focus. Shall I change it back to regular? And then let me pan follow. It'll just help with the arm as well. Okay, let's do this last bit like this. And let's see how it is. How many minutes have we been going? 5. I'm going to kill it.